see where I go. So everyone, welcome from my vlog today. I'm walking around the city center and there is Admiralteyskaya Institute metro station. Actually, it's quite cold today, and it was very bad decision to wear this suit jacket because it's quite cold and rain is going to start. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But everything looks like it will start soon, very, very soon. That's how the Admiralteyskaya Institute metro station look like. I'll go to the opposite side and show it better. There is a small monument of something, don't know what exactly it is. Yeah, let's just keep walking. Actually, I love this district because there are a lot of such nice, cute buildings, and they have this old type of, like, they look like an old buildings. And it's pretty nice. It reminds me real old St. Petersburg. Yeah. So I like walking here very, very much. Just look at this little creature. It is so funny. I'm trying to remember the name of such dogs. I think it's Jack Russell, if I'm not mistaken. Cannot be sure. Yeah. Should better go to this side. Burger King. Actually, there is very nice French potatoes. I can see it definitely. No, it's definitely not Jack Russell. Some other type of dogs. Oh, this man is quite brave type. It's definitely not nevsky prospekt, but still there are a lot of people. I think I should go straight. I can see the park here. Yeah, there is a park ahead. I will try to go there because I like green color. I like parks. It must be very cozy there. Especially I love parks in the city center because they are decorated very nicely. Always. Okay, maybe not always, but at least something interesting there can be. This building looks lovely. It's pink color and this small dome. Love it. I hate all these scooters. I hate when they appear suddenly from backside. It's just garbage. I never see them normally. They're fucking quiet. How would I notice them if they don't create any noise? It looks a bit ruined, but still lovely. If somebody repaired this, it would be very, very cool. Nice building, just in time. This must be this old part of St. Petersburg, where all the old buildings are saved. Look at this. I really want to visit this place. It's really cold for summer day in August, but at the same time it's very cozy. Especially if you look at these trees, they have very nice, very pleasant green color, and this park also looks nice. I just love parks, and all of them look very cozy. Just it's quite beautiful part of St. Petersburg. This woman wears quite warm clothes, and this also. All of them wear something warm, and only me in this pink colored blazer. I don't know what is that, but just wanna see what it can be. There is a market. There is a drunk man on the bench. Some kids are playing on the grass. And the woman is walking and her headphones with a very, very serious face. I love this day, but it reminds me a little bit winter day. When it's sunny, you walk on the street without your hat, your heavy hat, and in general it's minus 10 degrees, but sun makes you feel very nice and warm, but at the same time it's freezing cold. Again, close to Admiralteyskaya Institute metro station, that is the entrance. Yeah, but I wanna walk on a bit different side. Yeah. We'll go a little bit right and then just go straight. Don't know what is this direction, but I'm very much interested in this. So just go and I will find out. I'm trying to enjoy walking exactly today because you can notice this very beautiful view. It's very cool, nice, light sun. Actually, we came already to another metro station. It is called Pyshechnaya metro station, and there is the railway station. I don't remember the name. Maybe it's Vitebsky railway station. Yeah, I think yes. Because there are 3 such railway stations in St. Petersburg, even maybe 4. There is the Finland, there is the Vitebsky, Admiralteyskaya, and Moskovsky, which is located directly on Nevsky prospekt. Just look at this cute dog. I visited this railway station many times and I loved how it looks inside. I would like to go inside and spend some time there. Let's try. Nothing can stop us, only car. And one more cafe. Yeah. A monument that is maybe revolution. I'm not sure. Maybe the World War I. The entrance. And I guess I will have to go there. Inside. I hate it all the time. take my bag. And that's it. Yeah. This is actually Soviet and old type of railway station that you can see right now, because nothing changed from USSR times. There is a toilet here. Yeah, everything for people. Small cafe, which looks very cozy and smells nice. It's called Stolova actually. There's the bird. Okay, I'm gonna go there. This bird really bothers me. Wow. Just to look at this stairs. Amazing. It's really historical place for St. Petersburg. Unfortunately, it's on the service bus. Yeah, and I cannot use the stairs. But it's so like something interesting to see it when it's the building inside, but in the same time, it looks like a facial side of building. Like you can see these windows, and we are under the roof. I don't enjoy this garbage connected with traveling, because when you travel you're nervous, you worry that you could forget about something and so on. So yeah, oh, looks lovely. Yeah, I think for today it's enough of railway station. I will just keep walking for a bit more time. And after that, I will spend some time just in the city center because it's nice, it's cozy, it's a very nice day. It's quite cold. Yeah, it's quite cold, but I like it. Okay. I will go downstairs. I will search for exit. It won't be very difficult. There is an exit. It was not very difficult to find it. A lot of people who travel somewhere. One day I would be one of them, but not now. Now I'm just walking around the city. There is a вкусно и точка, and it's Russian version of McDonald's. And it's also a place, but people just look what we have now. Unfortunately, we don't have something better. Maybe Burger King is alright and Rostix, but McDonald's, I'm missing it. Lots. Actually, there are some nice periods like something good happens also in вкусная точка. Sometimes there appear like, nice collaboration. One of them was connected with Hello Kitty and pink colored burger appeared in this place, and I tried it. It was amazing, just very, very cool and nice. It really feels like something new, because before everything what I tried, it had different taste, but in the same time all the burgers had similar taste. And this pink burger with Hello Kitty, it is absolutely different. Maybe I just convinced myself because it has different color, but everyone who come to Russia and try it, it's really like this, just believe me. I trust my feelings. Now, I think I didn't visit this place since a very long time. Some repairers of road are held there, here. This part of St. Petersburg already looks a bit different. Just look at this cutie pie. She's so cute. Like a small flower. Oh. Little boy, little lovely boy. He's so cute. I would like to have such. This little cutie pie. Okay, I cannot say that it's very little. It's half of me. Definitely, maybe even more. But it looks so nice. So clean. So just very, very good boy. Go ahead. I need to stop looking at this. The street looks busy. There are a lot of people close to this place. It became a bit cold actually, because it's already evening, 6 p.m. and sun slowly goes down. Like it doesn't really go down, our earth is changing its position, but definitely becomes a little bit colder. So I'll slowly go back. There is the saloon where I was creating sunglasses for myself, and there is also a cafe where I was spending very nice time before weekends. They there were very interesting, unique desserts which I was trying all the time. Yeah. Let's go to the bridge. Oh, I again can see this little small woman with a flowered dress. She looks very cute. We'll try to cross the street very fast. Running. Yeah, I was fast. I should have wear something more warm because of this cold wind. It's difficult to walk and it's very cold. Especially my arms suffer because of this. But still, I cannot say that this day is disgusting or bad. It's amazing. And St. Petersburg is amazing. And these pigeons, which I can see, they are also very nice and amazing. I was walking here last time, long time ago. Unfortunately, I would like to be here a bit more often. Yeah. Because this place looks very nice. Now, unfortunately, I will finish. I will go slowly to the metro station. I decided to record a little bit more how I walk here because there are really nice views and I would really like to show it to you guys. It's real aesthetic of St. Petersburg. Like this river, these people on this small ship. I call them bukhahod because in general people who spend time there, they are drinking some alcohol. And in Russia, the section of drinking alcohol is called a little bit root form, but it is called bukhat. So slowly, I will be walking along the bank of this river. I don't know how it is called. Maybe it is written somewhere. I'll try to find it out. I'm not sure if I will be really able to understand this, but who stops me from trying? Actually, I can see very beautiful cathedral with a blue-colored dome in the top, on the top. Would really like to visit this place, but I think it will be a bit later, already not today because it's already a bit cold and I feel really cold walking here. So I would like to come back home as fast as possible because I don't want to get sick. Now if I get sick, I won't be able to record I won't be able to go outside and record my lovely vlogs. And if I cannot record my lovely vlogs, you guys won't be able to enjoy it. You won't be able to know something more about St. Petersburg, the great city which was built by Peter the Great. Was really a great guy. That's why he's called Great. Peter the First. There was the second, there was the third one, but all of them were not so good as Peter the First. There's a small cafe and feels very, very warm from inside. And it smells cool, super amazing. I wanted to go inside, but cannot do it. Now I'm walking along this street. Yeah, coming close to Sadoba metro station. Honestly, I think that I've never been there before. We'll see what is there. Maybe there is something nice. At least I can see a very big screen on the top of building right now from my place where I walk. And the wind is very, very strong, so my ears are suffering lots. I feel really cold. I need to be faster, as fast as possible, if it's possible. This building, which you can see on the right side of the street, a little bit ahead, it's already a new one, and it's absolutely different if you compare it with something what we can see even here. This building is made from glass. We can see it. They actually also look nice. I can say that it's interesting type of design. It looks modern and nice. But I don't know, some of them are nice, but some of them seems not to have any soul inside. Just cold and nothing more. Don't know how to explain it. Just these old buildings, they have their own history. They have their own soul. And they look specifically. And you can feel something when you look at them. You can it's very cozy. Definitely very cozy. But in these new buildings, modern type, they just look modern, and they are big, and people are not trying to create as many details as it was with the small old houses. So maybe this big scale changes everything. Maybe it influences on these buildings so much. Pink rabbit, I can see you again. Yeah, you're calling me every time, but I have to reject your invitation all the time, unfortunately. I again came to the place with a lot of people. Oh yeah, and sun. I already started feeling a bit cold because there were not a lot of sun. And finally, it is here. Yeah, there is a metro here. There is a big center. And where did we go? Where did we go? I'm not sure. I didn't visit this place since a long time. I think I was here the last time in winter when I was going to the concert of Chopin concert, classical music, and all this stuff. Yeah. Now I need to find the entrance. Searching for entrance. Well, these people want to give a concert, small street concert. I'm going just to inside the metro. It's Paska. We are searching for Sadova, but it's Sina Ploshchad. So I will just go inside and that's it. Okay, let's go. No problem. I think it's right decision. This door is super heavy actually. I hope my card will work normally without any problems. Because there were situations when it was rejected, I had problems, I had to pay some extra money, and so on. And my card didn't work for a long time. And that will be the end of our trip. It was nice to record for you today, guys. Now I will be finishing this video with this plushy hat. So that's it. See you later. Bye.